In remote areas, people also have a number of cognitive abilities that are helpful for hunting, such as their ability to track prey, their ability to cooperate with others, and their ability to plan ahead. However, there are also reasons to believe that our modern lifestyle has made us less likely to hunt. For example, we now have access to a wide variety of food sources. Our boy saw the duck feathers, so he knows that wild duck is around here. He need food. Hunting was a necessary part of their survival, as those who were better at hunting were easier to survive. He sees a duck in the pond. He needs to be quiet and quickly to catch a wild duck. Today, most people in the developed world get their food from supermarkets or restaurants. This means that we rarely have to hunt for our food, and our bodies may not be as well adapted to hunting as they once were. We are making a video show about the lifestyle of remote area people who live with nature and hunt food to survive. It is good to grill duck at the campfire. The high heat of the fire will help to render the fat in the duck, resulting in a moist and flavorful bird. However, it is important to cook the duck slowly over indirect heat to prevent the skin from burning.